By the time you finish watching this video, I will no longer own the Fujifilm X-Pro 3. The X-Pro 3 is a great camera. I fell in love with it exactly 2 years ago and thought, this is it. This is the camera I have been waiting for. I even got it in my favorite finish, the raw titanium, so shiny on a sunny day outside. But I couldn't help myself. I had to continue browsing eBay and used photography gear sites, and so it was inevitable I would stumble upon a good deal for something wonderful like the Leica CL. I'm glad I did, but it also feels like I betrayed my first love. The X-Pro 3 is a capable camera. It has a hybrid viewfinder, tiltable screen, great JPEG film simulations and a lot of lenses to choose from. It can actually be a really good video camera thanks to the microphone jack and headphone connection through USB-C. It can be charged through the USB as well. The list goes on. It's just a really good camera. It's also pretty and feels like it will last a while. The Leica CL is a lot less versatile. It has EVF only, but that is better than the one in the X-Pro 3. It has only 2 wheels to control everything, but the system makes sense and works very well. You never look at it thinking, why do I have this button here or this roller there? The retro dials on the X-Pro 3 are bothering me every time I look at it. They look cool, but there is no way I'm going to label the ISO dial when needing to go from ISO 100 to 1600 because I just went from sunny outdoors inside of a house. I will use the rollers, of course. But then, why are the dials there? It feels like Fuji entrapped themselves in this retro design, especially with the X-Pro line of cameras. It kind of works on the X100V, but I'm sure I would end up using the rollers on that camera as well. Lenses for Leica CL are better as well. If you are a guy like me who needs a 50mm equivalent prime and a basic zoom for 99% of his photography, and you dare to spend the money, this combo of lenses will make you very happy. Sharp with great rendering, and the 35mm f1.4 Summilux TL is on par with its M1 variant. And I have to mention the camera connectivity and smartphone app. Leica has the best there is. The app is beautiful and simple, just like their cameras. It works every single time and has a built-in direct transition to Lightroom Mobile. Fujifilm's app never really worked for me, and I know I'm not the only one. Still, I'm sending this one out into the world with a heavy heart. I really wanted to love this camera, and I did for some time. But it doesn't make sense to keep it sitting in my drawer, so off you go and make someone else at least as happy as me during our summer love. Well, so much for having attachment to things that should be just tools. Wouldn't it be better to just use the heck out of whatever we have and stop looking for a better version of the same? Sometimes the constant search pays off, but I'm not sure my hit rate is worth the time I've spent playing this game. But if you are still in it, you just have to watch my review of the fabulous Leica CL, because it may be the camera that will change it all. Make an end to your suffering.